Hey, welcome to video 2 of solving word problems. So remember at the end of video 1, we looked at the word each and we decided that we're probably going to divide. And when we divide, we take a big group and we make it into a smaller group. So knowing what we know, we need to look at our biggest number, which is 20. We know that our answer is not going to be more than 20. It's going to be less than 20. Okay, so let's think about this. 20 questions. There's 5 students. So we're going to divide those 20 questions among the 5 students. Okay, at this point, if you have your Desmos calculator, you can go ahead and click on that and work out the problem. This is what you would click into Desmos calculator, 20 divided by 5. Let's say that you don't have Desmos or your teacher says don't use a calculator. Remember, a strategy that we can use is drawing a picture. That is in our lesson today, that is kind of our fourth thing to help us figure this problem out. Okay, so I'm just going to draw a picture. So I have 20 questions. Okay, now this is something that we could use. We could go back, you can go back to my classroom and we can click on the counters. Here's my counters, and that will bring up something that we can use to demonstrate this division. So first I'm going to have 20. So I'm going to kind of click out 20. That's going to take me a long time, and I like them lined up. So if you kind of let them be close together, they'll line up. Okay. If you're OCD like me, which I am. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I need 20. 9, 10, 12. And if you want to draw pictures, if you want to do this on a scrap piece of paper, you could do that as well. Let's see if I have 20 yet. Not yet. I have 16. Now, if you notice, these are lined up into groups. Okay. This might help us with our division problem. So let's make sure I have 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 20 counters on the table. And let's go back to the problem. Each person needs to have, well, we're going to divide it out between 5 students. So everybody gets an equal share of the work. So now I'm going to take my counters and I'm going to divide them into groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these represent my students, and I have 5 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I've divided these questions. It looks like I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 groups. So if I go back to my question, my answer is 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Now, if you wanted to show your work like this, you could do that. You could do this on paper and take a picture and send it in. But any of these ways is how you can show your work to complete this problem. Thank you very much. Make sure to comment if you're still confused or you're not sure what to do.